Hey guys, here is what we are working on. Stay tuned. Welcome guys. Thanks for tuning in. So I have folded my fabric into four. Just add 10 inches to all your circumference measurements. That is your bust, your waist, your hip, plus 10 divided by 4 plus 1 inch for joining allowance. So this is an off shoulder dress, so you're to come out by 4 to 5 inches. Then you mark your chest line, then your waistline, hip line, and then you go over to your hemline. So then you do the vertical measurements now, placing your circumferences. Now for my shoulder is 15, so divided by 2 plus half an inch for my joining allowance, and then I'm just going to place that mark. Then my chest, I'll be imputing my bust measurement. So my bust plus 10 divided by 4 plus 1 inch for joining allowance. I'll be imputing that there. I'll do the same on my waist. My waist plus 10 divided by 4 plus 1 inch as my joining allowance. My hip also plus 10 divided by 4 plus 1 as my joining allowance. So I'll just do that same thing on the hem. So I'll just impute whatever I have on my hip line also to my hem. Please guys, if you have watched this point and you are yet to subscribe, please guys, please do me the favor, do me the honor to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, and also share my video. So I've just connected from that point to this point, and I'm shaping it so that to have a clean look and to be visible to you, my dear viewers. So I'm just going to cut that so that we will see what we are really working with. So then on my hem, if you want to have a pencil outlook on that hem, just do 1.5 from that point and mark, and then shape it to the hip line. But if not, you can just leave it like that. For me, I'm going to leave it like that because after you might have used the smoke thread to join, it's going to come together. That point will take the shape of a pencil gown, definitely. So that's that. So we're just going to open it up, then go to the sewing machine and then turn the neckline, sew it down that way, and then the hem also, I'm just going to turn it also, sew it down. So here we have the sleeve part. So for the sleeve, I have folded my fabric into 4 also, the 2 sleeves. Now the length of this sleeve is, the length of my client that I'm working with is 20, so I added 3 inches. Then the width, I just did my armhole divided by 2. Whatever is my answer, I added it back. So if it is if it is 18 divided by 2, we have 9. So I added 9 again to have very large volume. So that's that. So guys, from the shoulder, I came down by 1 inch for my elastic casing. From that 1 inch, I marked 4 inches that will create the connection between my shoulder and my armhole. That's where we are going to insert our armhole. That's the line for our armhole, for the sleeve armhole. Now to create this armhole, so I took out 4 inches, then I connected from my shoulder to the armhole. Then at the hem, I took away 1.5. Since we need volume at that hem also, so that we have enough volume, then I connect from that 1.5 to the armhole, then I cut out. Please guys, do not forget to share this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you. So the length of this band is 5 inches. After folding you have 2.5, and after joining you have 2 inches. The width of this band for my client is 12 inches, so I added 1 inch for my joining allowance. So we're going to do that. Then you fold into 2, the 5 inches you fold into 2 and notch the center, so that it will help you when you are pleating the band. So I'm going to do just that. Then this is the thread, the elastic thread that is used in making a smoked gown as this. So you're just going to gently wrap this around your bobbin. This is what you don't need to tightly round it around it. It's going to be loosely. You loosely roll it around the bobbin. So the first point you are going to sew is the first stitch, the folded part of your dress at the shoulder. From there you start with the second line, the third line, and then you go on and on till you get to the hem of the dress. Can we see that started taking shape? Can we see that? Make sure you lock each of your stitch at the end to make a clean finish. Okay, so I'm just going to continue that, and then I'll show you what it's looking like at the end of the hem. Please guys, do not forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. As you join, as you stitch, you lock at the end, and also as you join, you're just going to open it up so that you avoid some skews, some skews up materials like so. So guys, here is the final look. Who is excited? I am excited. So this is looking so clean, so okay. So we're just going to face right side, facing right side, and you're just going to join from the armhole down to the hem on both sides of the dress. Now I'm just inserting my elastic into the elastic casing I created on the sleeve, like so. Can we see that? After adding our elastic, can we see how it has taken shape? And then our dress is ready. I'm so excited. I was so happy when my client put it on. She was so happy. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. I love you. See you. Bye for now.